Hello students, welcome to science class. Today we will continue with third chapter, synthetic fibers in plastics. Today's topic is polyester and acrylic. Polyester and acrylic, these both they are synthetic fibers. So first we will discuss about polyester. Beta, polyester is also a synthetic fiber which is derived from coal, air, water and petroleum. Okay, from where polyester is derived? It is derived from coal, air, water and petroleum. It is made from synthesized polymers. Now, what are polymers? I explained you this earlier also. Polymers means long chain molecules. So here if we talk about polyester, polyester is made from repeating chemical units called esters, right? What polyester we can write like this: poly plus ester, it gives polyester, right? And polyester is what? It is a synthetic fiber. It is the polyester which made the fabric cheaper in India as well as in the whole world, right? And terylene, this terylene is a popular polyester. Terylene is a popular polyester and it can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarn, right? And what are the characteristics of this fabric polyester? That this fiber does not get wrinkled easily and it remains crisp and it is very easy to wash. Okay, now PET, you might have heard this name, PET, PET. What is the meaning of this? Polyethylene terephthalate, and it is used for making the bottles, utensils and films, wires and many other useful products. You might have seen your mother always buys PET bottles for storing rice and sugar. I wonder what PET is. Now you came to know what is PET. P stands for PET, polyethylene terephthalate. It is very familiar form of polyester. Its questions also come about this polyester. This PET, that it is used for making bottles, then utensils, films, wires and many other useful products. Now see this paragraph, it's very important that polyester, poly plus ester, is actually made from up of the repeating units of chemicals called ester, and esters are the chemicals which gives fruits and fruits their smell. Fabrics are also sold by names like polycot. This fabric, polyester fabric, it is sold by the name of polycot. Polycot, what is the mean? Polycot means poly plus cot, right? So polycot, it is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Okay, polycot is the mixture of polyester and what? Cotton. If we talk about polywool, polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Okay, so these are some forms of polyester. Now next fabric is acrylic. Beta, we have studied that rayon is known as artificial silk. Similarly here acrylic is known as artificial wool because it resembles wool. We wear sweaters and use shawls or blankets in winter. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool, because you know that the natural wool is prepared from natural sources and they are very expensive, whereas the clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheaper. They are made in variety of colors and synthetic fibers are more durable. Durable means लंबे समय तक चलते हैं. They do not get wrinkle easily. They are affordable because they are cheaper and makes them very popular than the natural fibers. Now beta, this paragraph is very important that synthetic fibers on burning they get melts. Okay, synthetic fibers they get melts on heating. That's why it is advised not to wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in laboratories, because these synthetic fibers, okay, when they get burned they melts and sticks to the body of person. sticks to the body of person. That's why it is advised not to wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or laboratories, right? Now, see this term beta, petrochemicals. What is petrochemicals? It is the raw materials it's used to synthesize synthetic fibers. All the synthetic fibers, they are prepared by a number of process using raw materials of petroleum origin called the petrochemicals, right? So once again we will just summarize what we learned today. We learned today two types of synthetic fibers, that is polyester and acrylic. Acrylic is known as synthetic wool. What are the characteristics of polymers? That it can be washed and dried out easily and quickly, it does not get wrinkles, and polyester is highly inflammable. The fabric melts and sticks to the body of the person wearing it, so care should be taken while wearing it. It is stretchable, durable, lightweight and wrinkle resistant. Okay, and PET is a form of polyester which is used to make bottles, utensils, films, wires and many other useful products. And polycot, it is a mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool, and terracotta is a fabric made after mixing terraline and cotton, right? Then acrylic is known as artificial wool or synthetic wool. And what are the characteristics of acrylic? That this fabric made from acrylic is warm to wear, garam hote hain. It is a very strong fiber and resists shrinkage and wrinkles. It is also very easy to wash and dries out quickly. It is much cheaper and easy to maintain compared to natural wool. It is lightweight, flexible and durable, and it is resistant to moths, chemicals and deterioration on exposure to sunlight. It can be also be dyed very well into variety of colors.